Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by loading the gameplay footage and the subtitle file into your editor, then confirm the frame rate. Mismatched FPS breaks timing. Once loaded, skim for glaring offset errors and fixes you can apply globally. Now lock the audio track and switch to waveform view so you can place the first subtitle boundaries precisely at speech onsets, which saves time later. Make sure to save a versioned copy before you mass adjust timings. You now refine each cue. Shorten long lines and split where the speaker pauses so viewers can read comfortably. As you edit text, keep reading speed targets in mind. If a line hits 20+ chars/sec, break it into 2 cues. Once done with wording, nudge timings using frame stepping for precise sync with lip flaps or key sound effects. Also scrub the video to confirm subtitles appear during relevant on-screen context, not after the event has. You finish by running validations and exporting a test file. Check encoding and illegal characters first because they can break in-game rendering. Then import subtitles into the game build or player and test at HUD scales and resolutions you expect players to use. If you face desync, apply a global shift or reconvert frame rate rather than fixing cues individually, because that preserves relative timing. One troubleshooting tip: if characters render
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.